Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh la na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, and now I know what I need to do.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we have an epic adventure for you today. For another cameo, we have Kimmy on the vlog. So yeah. Yo, that bud. Yeah. These are some big crocodile, man. This look like an alligator skull. Oh yeah, it is alligator that, and this a crocodile.
And this one?
That look like some skin business, some snake business. So that big, the skin look. No, they say that it's real leather that, you know, can make shoes and things. But look on the teeth. And the size of the teeth, that's crazy. That's wild. Oh yeah, so we're going to the nursery. You go touch one?
Hell no.
You're a coward, you know. look on the size of that turtle shell there. That's crazy. Maroons, welcome back to the channel. We just got here. We're looking forward to taking to being a part of one of the tours of the Black River. We're here with Black River Safari. So trying to find a tour guide now to see if we can get this on the way. If this is your first time to the channel, consider subscribing and checking out some of the other videos. And for the OG Maroons that have always been here, remember to drop a like and leave a comment on the video. In Black River, and they're located directly after you come off the bridge that's right here. That's close to. So you feel excited, Kimmy?
Nervous.
You're nervous?
Yes.
Nervous for?
Them big crocs there, them lizard them in the water, bro, like water lizard them there, no?
Kimmy say water lizard. Just, yeah man, look closer.
Becky?
Eh?
Do.
You don't have to worry, I'm not go too close, just watch your back there. I see a bit of what going around here. So yeah, we're excited for this adventure. I really hope we get to see some cracks, and if you guys can look, the sky is extremely overcast, so I hope it doesn't rain. I hope we get to see some cracks. Oi, Kimmy! Kimara! See one here? You know, I see you. So one big one up there, so. We just left it back them there, so make it look quick. Come now, come. See him up there, so. Look up there, so. We can go up to the fence.
I'm not going.
Come down. So here we are in the Jamaican outbacks. You know, I'm not go up to you. Bro, look at this crocodile. Look at this. He's just chilling. Like him just the right, just a chill. Like this big ass crocodile. Just the right, this a chill. This is wild. Such a beautiful animal though. Hopefully we get to see some of them close and personal, guys. I'm excited. I've always seen crocs always seen them in the zoo, but this is going to be the first opportunity to kind of like see them in the wild, open in the wild without being behind bars and such. Crocodiles are like the reptiles in general are like the greatest survivors. Remember, say they've been here from the dinosaur days, you know, and they're still here. We got here roughly around 11:30, but the next tour is actually at 12:30. So, me and Kimmy, we're just chilling for a bit, waiting on the next tour. Go on, Kim. Go on. Ask him if come on.
Come, Curry.
Yeah, go. Step up. Come that side. Alright, this way, yeah.
Alright, we need some weight on the other side, alright? We need some weight over there. Two adults can sit right here.
Very good.
As your captain, the lifeguard, the tour guide. Next 45 minutes or so.
See my Kimmy?
First crocodiles to the right on the top.
Give me coward. Eh?
Take a picture, people.
So crocodiles are cold-blooded reptiles. They need the sun to get warm. Normally they would open their mouth like they're doing right now to sweat. They sweat through their mouth like dogs, helping the digestive. 68 teeth, 38 at the top and 30 at the bottom. They have no tongue. They cut and they swallow. 95% of what the crocodile eats out here is fish. The other 5 contains birds. Crabs, frogs, a piece of chicken we normally give to them, and of course the tourists.
That's great.
That's in Trelawny. It flowed through for 44 miles or 70 kilometers. It ends right behind us beneath the bridge into the Caribbean Sea. We're going for 2.5 miles. I'm hoping to show you birds, wetland vegetation, and some of our friendly crocodiles. We're friendly, let's hope we return in one piece. White birds in the trees to the right of us, those birds, they are called egrets. All these birds next year because of the fish market back to them. They flew across to get food to feed their chicks. So when the chicks fall from the nest, the crocodiles save them all from drowning by eating them. Just like KFC for the crocodiles. The tall trees, they're called mangrove trees.
Oh, look on the next one.
There are
To the
two
next.
types of mangroves here. We have the white and the red mangrove. Red mangrove, the leaves are broad and they're bright in color. And also they have roots that grow from the branches all the way down to the water. White mangrove have small leaves.
You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride?
You them know they're right here. You can have
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, we're ready.
Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh.
95% of what they eat is fish. The other 5 contains birds. Crabs, frogs, a piece of chicken. Normally gives them. And of course, a few tourists in Jamaica. Also, crocodiles can live to up to and over 100 years. They grow to like 20 feet long. One of the largest crocodiles out here is called Terrorist. That crocodiles are around 16 feet long, around 60 years. Normally see terrorists where it started the tour.
Oh.
Now, crocodiles are nocturnal creatures. They hunt at night and they rest in the day. Now, the black remains breed was used as a transportational route in 1800 for transporting goods such as rum, molasses, sugar, pimenta, coconut, banana, and logwood. All those items were stored inside the building back there where
is a factory.
Here is called Broadwater. This is the widest point. After we have two rivers that meet together here. We have the Black River to the left, Saucepan River to the right of us. West Falls, Appleton Estate River, Bagatelle River, they're all on the left hand section. And also the mountain in front to the left, that's the Nassau Mountain. You can find West Falls and the Appleton Estate over there.
Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh.
As you can see, the water is clear. It's only the soil at the bottom of this river giving the water that dark color. The water is not black, only the soil. By the way, anybody want water?
Yo, the water color just get dark.
Besides, too much of one thing is not good enough for you. So I'm sure with you guys. I have enough already.
Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh. You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right.
Eh?
Let's take a drive.
Water black. Watch out, what is yeah.
Out here is called Mangrove Avenue, similar to the Highland Park. From the kind of great mangrove and crocodile. Very peaceful and quiet place at times. Run out of gas, you know, so it's ladies first. The kids fall on the captain and the last to leave the boat.
The last to leave the
You
ship.
don't have to go down with the ship, man.
So that means you
Who's
first, I go push. Nah, go push, give me.
No, there's not a single mosquito inside here. All the mosquitoes are married, you know, so not a single one.
Yo, look under this way. Under the water creepy. Right. What's the tree them? See them, Timmy?
We have a crocodile beside the Rasta man.
You look baby.
There was a whole big croc that the man are touching, you know?
Make sure to get that one. Make sure to
I want to see him, I go see him.
Make him put that one in there.
Like him gone. Yo, it's a big croc. That's
Go. Go. Come.
He's coming.
Come.
Okay. Hey, sweetie. Hi.
Go. Crocodiles are around 7 feet long, around 27 years.
27 years.
Mom, say all of that me.
Yes, I grow slow.
If they only visit 100.
1 year old, 1 time.
27 years.
They're going to visit 100.
What is his or her name?
But I know I can hold the one here.
Peter. Hello. Where your brother live? Where's your brother?
Brother in number 100. And it's against the law to feed them as well.
You're supposed to feed them.
Actually,
Same thing in Florida, them tell you don't feed them. Them keep coming back for more. Yeah.
That's not good some of the time.
Not at all. I associate we with food.
You do it so you don't know, so you get now.
Yeah. Crazy.
come.
Anybody volunteer a finger?
Don't say I can beat them.
Sorry, Mama.
One more, let's see, Tim.
But it look like
Come here, hold your hand too.
Yeah, man, a swimming pool, man. I want a swimming pool. I know if you had I want cool down, man. That's a swim, man. Right?
Come, shake your hand.
What's that take for himself?
Hey,
That's
yeah,
the
man.
brave though.
Look here, man. Yeah, they can swim in the man, no problem.
Well, listen to that.
Jamaica, this in the man, no
I
problem.
don't
Only
think so, my brother.
If the crocodile come off there, that's a situation that you have to solve.
So him big? Pretty though.
Pretty.
We have the oldest mangrove tree to the left.
Oh, this? Yo, what that look like?
That's the
Over
oldest one.
250 years. A part of it was destroyed by Hurricane Ivan in 2004. Also around here is the last place to swim. So if you want to take a swim, we have a swimming pool around here to make up your mind. And the last minute.
Last swimming spot.
We'll cruise away back from here then. When we get back, we go to the crocodile nursery.
Okay.
I'll show you guys some more crocodiles around there. Rescued from various locations.
Hey, question. You have what they call a water moccasin in this water?
Yeah?
Water moccasin.
No, I don't think so.
No.
What do you really declare on it?
That would be the snake that lives in water as well as on land.
We have no water snake in Jamaica.
How was it? Eh? What you say?
What I get was 7. Let's no crocs only.
Enough.
Yeah, to make it more exciting.
Yeah, but maybe at the rain and the next boat we couldn't say so much. Big boss still there, so relax. You know, move. Because of the rain and possibly the small boat that was dashing through the water, we didn't get to see a lot of crocs. We only saw like 3. So we're going into the nursery now, and yeah. Yes, give me away, so you know, hold on. Come now. Yo. And the little one there. And the turtle them. Yeah. I'm just going and chill. Oh wow, give me.
Okay, so welcome to the crocodile nursery. These crocodiles you're seeing here, they're rescued from off the road. People homes on the beach side, we normally release them back out there into the wild.
Yeah.
Normally when the small one reach up to 6 feet, they're released back to the wild. For example, these size over here. Bigger crocodiles you're seeing here, they're not raised inside, they're from that stage. They are recently brought here, they're going to stay here for 3 years. After that, they're released back to the wild. The reason being crocodiles have excellent memory. If we release them earlier than that, they'll go back to the same place.
Oh.
They're not there doing before.
So them when you're 3-year-old?
Yeah, 3-year-old.
That's what them looking?
1-year-old.
3-year-old.
Now, so far we've released around 200 crocodiles from here back to the wild. It's a slow process, but it's working very good so far.
Yeah.
The nursery has been around for 14 years.
Are they protected?
Yeah, they're protected. They're caught doing that. They can spend like 12 months in the free
Kimmy, them pretty, you know. The color on them, they have a nice, the color pretty.
5 pounds. We're going to eat enough like how we think we eat, just once a week. That's why those out there in the wild, we don't feed them too often because we know that the natural eating style is not so often like any other animal. Even though the eating style can really change up because the other guys eat it.
There's about 39 years.
2020.
You know the female from the male.
Males tend to be more highly aggressive and also tend to be more muscular. The scientific way of differentiating. Surgeon normally stick their hand behind their index and opening the intelligence.
Oh.
But I don't do it as commonly.
The back foot them webbed.
So,
in Florida, I see them have the show with them where them have the mouth open.
they put their head in it.
And put them head in it. But the trick is not to touch the lower upper part of their mouth, right? Because them say anything touch up here, him will close the mouth. And once him close the jaw, it lock.
They get locked.
Yeah, it's done.
What them call this up with them and them back against
School.
yeah.
But
So that help them
serious.
help them trap heat. So we're at the end of the video. Watch a goat here. That goat here brave though. This is the bravest goat me ever see. But yeah guys, we're at the end. Watch them run this, so them run gone around where the crocodile did that, Kimmy. Them run past the crocodile. Them brave. Seeing them in the zoo and seeing them in the wild is 2 different experiences. Cause just the environment, hey, you see when we're going at the place with the mangroves there? Creepy, you know?
Creepy and styling.
Yes, and then the crocodile was just, he was just in his environment, it was just his place, just a float on top of the water. So
And
it was, yeah, it's magnificent seeing them in their natural habitat, not encaged.
The wild was different because you know people out there like harass them.
Yeah, that's the thing now.
Yeah.
So harassment is a big issue that they're trying to address here. People are harassing the crocodiles and, you know, harming them because they're not educated about them. They don't know a lot about them, so they just assume that they're out to get them, you know. So you find out that a lot of crocodiles get harmed. But yeah, because we,
Finally peaceful.
yeah, they're very peaceful. He's just there. Once you're not bothering them and not in the territory and they have food, they seem to be peaceful animals. But yeah, we're hungry. We're going to leave now. I'm not sure if we're going to get something to eat.
We can go buy me KFC.
I don't know about that. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, leave a like and drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think. And remember, in every single thing that you do, be patient, exercise humility, and always be what?
Consistent.
Alright, finally I get it.
You know you never gonna believe me, but me would have find it tough to keep this thing a secret. Cause got me going to the deepest of oceans. Come on, let me show you why you feel like a float man. Slow Johns why you feel like listen. Anything you turn in a real life fixin'. Not a drink, girl, you're my addiction. Cause with you I feel I'm missing nothing, 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 nothing.